Welcome back to No Recipes, where we elevate everyday meals using tried and true techniques. I'm Mark Matsumoto, and today I'm going to be showing you how easy it is to make a delicious one-pan meal using noodles, chicken, and vegetables. Chow mein has a reputation for being a greasy Chinese takeout side dish, but my version is loaded with savory chicken and colorful vegetables, which makes it the perfect weeknight main for when you're in a rush to get dinner on the table. Okay, let's get started. For our chicken, we've got some chicken tenders that have been sliced up, and we're gonna velvet these using egg white, salt, and potato starch. The sauce for our chow mein is just chicken stock, oyster sauce, and ground white pepper. Finally, we've got noodles, oil, cabbage, carrots, red bell pepper, ginger, garlic, scallions, and snow peas. Time to velvet our chicken. I'm gonna start by separating an egg white into the chicken. Then I'm gonna add some salt and potato starch. Now you just want to use your hand and beat the egg whites together with the chicken until it's a bit frothy. Velveting is a traditional Chinese technique that improves the texture of the chicken and helps keep it moist by locking in its juices. Okay, that looks just about right. Next, we're going to boil our noodles. Shoot for about a minute less than what the package says. They're gonna cook a bit more when we stir fry them, and nothing is worse than soggy noodles. When the noodles are cooked, just drain them and rinse them in cold water to stop the cooking. This also gets rid of the excess starch on the outside that'll make them stick together. Add about a tablespoon of oil and toss it together with the noodles. This will also help keep the noodles from clumping when we stir fry them. For our sauce, we're going to add the chicken stock, oyster sauce, and white pepper to a bowl and stir them together. Make sure you don't have any clumps of white pepper left floating on top, or someone's going to be in for a big surprise. Okay, time to start cooking. We've got a well-heated pan over high heat to which we're going to add some oil, ginger, and garlic. Give that a quick stir, and we're gonna go in with the chicken. Spread the chicken out into a single layer and let it fry for a bit. When the chicken's cooked about halfway through, it's time to start stir frying. Once the chicken is mostly cooked through, it's time to add the carrots, cabbage, and red bell peppers. Give this a quick stir fry until the vegetables are wilted just a bit, but they should still be only about halfway cooked. One of the things I love about this version of the dish is how many vegetables you can cram in here. I've used carrots, cabbage, bell peppers, snow peas, and scallions in this version, but you can really use any variety of vegetables you have in your fridge. It's a great way to clean up your veggie drawer while getting some more vegetables into your diet. Now we're going to add the parboiled noodles. Use some tongs to distribute the noodles evenly. As you can see, I've added way too much food to this size of frying pan, but you can hear everything is still sizzling, which means I have enough heat to keep the stir fry going. The idea here is you want to burn off any extra moisture on the surface of the noodles, and you also want to get a little bit of caramelization on the surface that's going to give it a nice toasty flavor. Now we just have to go in with the sauce and toss it around to make sure the noodles and vegetables are evenly coated. I like using tongs and a spatula to toss the noodles around and make sure everything's distributed evenly. Okay, now we're gonna wrap this up by adding the scallions and snow peas. Continue to toss this around and stir fry it until the snow peas and scallions are vibrant green and the chicken is cooked through. Okay, I think we're just about done. Wow, look at that! We've got a rainbow medley of veggies with tender chicken and savory noodles that bring everything together in a tangle of deliciousness. The best part about this is that it makes for a balanced and satisfying meal on its own. Hit the link in the description for the full recipe, and if you enjoyed this video, leave us a like and be sure to subscribe for more delicious everyday meals.